to the OPT7 AURA app. I'm just going to kind of do a walkthrough of the pages and the navigation around the app. So here we have our Bluetooth screen. We're basically going to have, this is our control box. There's an option, if you go ahead and hold it, you can rename it, and that name will stay with the control box. So we're going to select that control box. We're going to click next. Brings us to our color selection. So right now we're on cycle mode. We have cycle mode, and if we swipe, we have a pulse mode. You have a speed selection, so you can make it pulse really slow, as you can see down here. Make it pulse faster. It's up to you. We have a strobe mode. This one you are allowed to control both the brightness and the speed. So you can turn down that brightness if it's too bright. As you can see, it's turned down. Or you can turn it all the way up. You can adjust the speed as well for that strobe. You have your solid mode selection with just a brightness adjustment, and you can go ahead and swipe the color wheel for your color selection. You have a white option here, or a random if you don't want to choose a color, you just want it chosen for you. And then we have our door assist option, which basically if you wire the control box to the door open light or door open switch or anything like that, you can go ahead and open the door, and the AURA kit will automatically turn on and display the color of your choice. So what you're going to do is you're going to click door assist. You're going to scroll to that color that you want. So let's say I want a blue, and we're going to click save. Now every time the door is opened, it will go to that blue color. Some other tabs that we have here are the store. Basically, these are other OPT7 products that you may be interested in checking out. You can scroll down the left, and you can go ahead and click, and it will go directly to our website. And our last tab here is kind of our support. We have our questions, customer support contact, warranty registration for the AURA control box. We have our blog, installation guides, as well as video tutorials like the one you are watching right now. This is the OPT7 AURA app. Thanks for tuning in.